Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Wes Johnston is a frequent submitter to this channel and has been sending us videos since the beginning. A couple of months ago, he reached out and asked us to spread the word of this woman who stabbed his mother Sherry's brand new Model Y with a knife. 2 days after the video was posted, the woman was found. And while Wes and his family waited for a court date, the police asked us to pull the video from YouTube since, according to them, it could have hindered the investigation. Now they're back from court, the case is settled, and we have even more information on what happened and why. But first, let's take it from the beginning. This actually all started the day before the act of vandalism, which happened in Sumter, South Carolina. Sherry's Model Y was brand new. They hadn't even put permanent license plates on it yet. This woman got upset because Sherry had parked in her spot. However, as the judge told her in court, there are no reserved parking spots in a public parking lot. In the video, we can see that she tried to park as close to the Tesla as she could, which was her first act of aggression. The next day, Sherry drove her Model Y to work at 7 a.m. Watch what happened about 30 minutes later. If we slow the footage down, we can see that this woman had the knife ready in her hand above her purse. She then went ahead and dragged the knife along the side of the Tesla's door. Sherry parked far away from all other cars to prevent door dings, and this vicious individual went out of her way to damage the car. Wes and Sherry noticed while reviewing the Sentry mode footage that the offender arrived 30 minutes after the car was parked and sat in her car in the parking lot for about 5 minutes before the attack. So it definitely seems like she spent some time planning it out. Another angle shows that she then entered the back door of a nearby business to drop off some items. Then she returned to her car and drove away. Wes never imagined they would get such useful footage from all 4 of the Sentry mode cameras. Sherry contacted the police and provided the footage which clearly showed the criminal's license plate number. The police arrested the vandal at her place of employment a few days later. She admitted to knifing the Tesla after being told about the video evidence. The woman chose to avoid getting a criminal record by settling out of court and agreeing to pay for the damages. She showed no remorse and was still angry about the Tesla taking her parking spot. If the case hadn't been settled out of court, she would have had to pay a $2,000 fine, and Sherry would have had to sue her in a separate civil action to receive compensation. Wes suggests as a tip to other Tesla owners who might find themselves in a similar situation, don't format the drive, and be sure to save the videos from all 4 cameras before and after the event. In this case, the other camera angles helped track down where the woman worked, leading to her arrest. This video was sent in by SCVX, who was driving his Model 3 on Ontario Highway 401 near Kingston, Ontario, Canada. This truck driver had been trying to overtake another truck and had been occupying the left lane for over a minute. The motorcyclist behind him was clearly becoming a bit impatient. We can actually see in the reflection that the truck in the back is flashing his headlights to signal to the overtaking truck that it's safe to re-enter the right lane. Little did he know that this was the exact moment the biker decided to overtake the truck using the right lane. Fortunately, both of them were able to react quickly, and they each made evasive maneuvers before it was too late. This could have ended very badly since there was another truck right behind them. Do you guys remember this clip from Chris Luna of a BMW crash that we showed you in episode 16 of Tesla Stories? We said at the time that there were no injuries other than the BMW driver who busted his fist open after hitting his car in anger after the crash. Well, now we have the video of the punch. There's actually a lot happening in this video. Here comes Chris out of his car with an awesome face mask. To the left, there is a nice Model 3, and to the right is some sort of dragster motorcycle. This video was also sent in by Chris, and it shows some stereotypical Tesla love coming from the passenger of this Jaguar. Chris hadn't been involved in any interaction with the Jaguar, so he can only assume this was some sort of EV hate. In the same video, we also see some pretty sweet dancing from this Chevy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold on tight! This is gonna be a bumpy ride!
Anthony noticed the lights flash on his Model 3, and he knew that Sentry mode had captured some monster attacking his car. Just kidding. No harm, no damage. It was Anthony who threw the ball at his own car, and his little furry friend caught it for him. This next video is also from Anthony, who caught some friendly people with Sentry mode checking out his car in a parking lot. The Model 3 sure draws a lot of attention. However, this clip from Troy shows a rising problem for many Tesla owners. At Troy's work, there are simply too many Teslas. He and his coworkers have a hard time telling them all apart. It makes for some funny Sentry mode videos of people trying to find their own cars. Alan was driving his Model 3 in Gilbert, Arizona when he approached this impatient driver at an intersection. Why wait for your turn when you can just go first? Dan was driving his Model 3 in Kalamazoo, Michigan when he saw this in the mirror. There was only minor damage and no injuries. Dan gave the driver of the Subaru the footage, who was super happy that Tesla was recording from so many angles. A few weeks ago, we held the first ever Teslacam Awards, where you got to vote for your favorite video in the wildlife category. Ladies and gentlemen, the numbers are in. With over 1,600 votes cast, we have a winner. In third place, with 14% of the votes, the Hawk Race. In second place, with 17% of the votes, the Unusual Pet Walk. And with 69% of the votes, the winner is the Cat Attack. Congratulations to Daniel Barker. Daniel gets to share his Tesla referral code here with the video. If you're planning on buying a Tesla, please use the code in the description to get some free supercharger miles, and Daniel will get some too. Once more, let's watch the winning video, the Cat Attack. Enjoy! Daniel had parked his Model 3 at work, and when he got back to the car, he found he had a dozen Sentry mode events. Let's take a look at what he found. There was a litter of kittens born near Daniel's workplace. Obviously, they were extremely comfortable playing around the Model 3. Wait for it, we'll soon get a very good mugshot of this cat. Don't worry, there were no marks on the car from the cat party. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. See you next Sunday. Please like, share, and subscribe. New episodes released every Sunday.